Annapolis continues to see more inventory on the market, but new contracts were actually down this week. It's Friday, May 1st, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Inventory is up 9.4% week over week to 232 properties for sale at a median list price of $699,900. 13 properties sold in zip code 21401 at a median sold price of $740,000 and in 15 days. 10 properties sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $626,500 and in 8 days. 21409 had 7 properties sell at $550,000 median sold price and in 6 days. 49 units will be coming to the market with a higher median list price of $725,000. The new contracts fell 57% to 33 under contract in 9 days, and the list price at the time of contract was $699,000. Now, 30 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio in 12 days at a median sold price of $677,700. 45 rental properties are for lease at $2,895 per month, and these have been on the market for 28 days. Are you curious about housing values in your neighborhood? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 1st, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.